Hey there everyone, your friend Alchemist87 TV here, coming at you with a brand new video. In this one we're going to take our logos and make them transparent. So a lot of people probably get logos, if you buy them on Fiverr, they probably have a background. So we're going to take those logos, make them transparent so that you can put them on merch and on Twitch panels like we did in my last video, link down in the description. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So we're going to get to it. If you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment on anything that you might want me to do in the future. Other than that, let's get to it. Okay, so you're going to want to open your logo. Just click File and Open, or if you don't have anything open at all, it'll just be on the left side and it says Open. Just click that and open the file you want. And first, we're going to want to get rid of the background. So you're just going to want to come over here and click the magic wand tool, and then left click like I just did. And then let's see what this does. So you see that it masks the stuff that I didn't really want it to mask. So you're going to Control Z that, which undoes it. Right click, select inverse, and now you're going to come down here and click that mask button. So they got rid of our background for us, just a little bit there, which isn't a big deal. Let's get the inside now. So you just want to click it and then hold Shift and start clicking all those boxes. Which your logo might not even have this, but if there's a little bit of background showing, you can do the same thing. Let's go around and get all those. Let's zoom in a little bit so I don't miss. Go down, get it down here. I think it's all of them. So right click, select inverse. You have to actually come over here. Right click this, apply layer mask, which just applies the one we just did. And then click layer mask again, and that gets rid of all that. Then we're gonna right click that, apply layer mask. So now we have all the background out of it. All we have to get rid of is the letters. So come down here, start selecting stuff, see what it does. So we don't really want to do that because it selected all of the white. So let's actually just come over here. Let's actually get Control D. Let's come over here, get our eraser tool instead. Make it pretty big. And just start erasing the letters down here. You don't want to get too close because you don't want to accidentally erase a little bit of line you have. You want to erase this outer line. Let's zoom in a little bit with Control plus plus. Or just Control plus as many times as you need to. Get rid of all this. A little bit over there. You're going to want to make this kind of like the same as the rest of it, the rest of the circle, or however your image shapes. So now that that's done, we're going to want to come over here and grab the pencil tool instead. I can make this a little bigger for a second. And we're going to want to paint in and get rid of the rest of the color that's here. And to select the color, we want to come down here and click the top box. It brings up this little dropper, and then you just click that and it picks the color for you. So now I have the color selected. I can draw with it. And you just come across it. Like that. So I messed up a little bit, but we can fix that in a second. Then we're going to go back to the dropper, click our outer border, which is white. And then we want to draw with that too. And just kind of fill all this in for a second. And then we'll zoom in a little bit so we can be more precise. And do that. I actually might erase a little bit of this in a second. And then go across here to get it even. Just want to make it nice and even. And then we'll get our eraser back out and fix the part that I just said. It's a little big, so we'll go back up here and just scale it down. It doesn't have to be like a perfect size or anything. You can just go over where you need to. So now that's gone. We zoom back out. And we're done. It's really that easy. So now we have our logo. We still have this circle on it, which I'll show you how to take that off too. But this is good for now. Also, you could have also kept the letters in a save if you wanted to. It's really just up to you. But when you're done with this, you want to come up here, hit File, Save As, click this, PNG, and then I already have this, so I'm not going to save it, but then you can just click Save with whatever name you want. And then if you do want one with the letters, you would have just, or with your name on it, you just do it before you erase it, you click save and stuff, the way I just did. But now this is just our basic logo. It could go on merch and whatever you want it to be on. But let's get rid of the background too. We're just going to come back up here to our magic eraser, or magic wand tool. My bad. And then just click on the white. And then right click it, select inverse, mask. And then right click this, apply layer mask. And then now I just have my figure. And then again, we just come up here and click file, save as. And you don't really have to save it as a Photoshop file if you don't really plan on coming back to it. You can just save them as the PNGs as you go and get all the different layers that you want. That's really it for today's video. It's something super easy, super fast that everyone could do. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.